Hi my friends and my teacher. Today I will show you how to make eclairs.
First, I pour 4 cups of milk into the pot for the cream. And then I pour a glass of sugar, 5 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of starch, 1 egg into milk. I cook until the cream thickens. When the cream thickens, I take it from the stove and I put it in another bowl. And then cover the top and wait for it to cool. While the cream cools, I put 1.5 cups of water and 125 grams of butter in the pot for the dough. When the butter melts, I add a cup of flour and a packet of vanilla and cook for 3 minutes. I will add 4 eggs to the dough when the dough is cooked, but the important point is to mix each egg well. After making sure that the eggs are well mixed, I put the dough in a bag. And arrange the dough on a baking tray. If their shape is not beautiful, you can wet your finger and correct their shape. I put the tray in a preheated 180 degrees oven and cook the dough for 35 minutes. After the doughs were cooked, I took them out of the oven and let them to cool, and then I add whipped cream to the cold cream and mix it. After the doughs cooled, I cut it from the side with a knife and put the cream in it. Finally, I dip the eclair in the chocolate.